menetapkan mau pergi ke psikolog atau tidak, itu
Right.
adalah perjalanan masing-masing orang.
Yeah, well, I have a data on that, but we'll shift to KB now. I mean, have you? Have you?
No, I actually have never.
Okay, that's good. I
gone
mean, there's
to
one of
a
us here.
psychologist, but I feel like I've had so many friends who, without consent, I've made my unpaid therapists. So shout out to them, you included. So thank you, Caroline. You're actually a great therapist. You dress the
I
part.
already
you actually
I know.
look the part.
I look the part. No, I used to want to be a therapist. I mean, a psychologist. Before high school, I think I wanted to help people and whatnot. And then then I would tell you my story, what happened that really changed my direction from becoming a psychologist to someone that probably could interview a psychologist. All right. What about you, Shana? There's a lot of inside jokes, by the way, in this edition of Interview. I know.
Oke, kayaknya the first time aku kayak booking a session with a psychologist, I think it's around 2021, masih COVID-19 pandemic, dan waktu itu online session, tapi ya itu seperti yang tadi Marisa bilang, kalau saat itu nggak cocok sama sekali gitu ya, gue menjalani beberapa terapi sama dia dan nggak cocok banget sampai kayak gitu. Terus
And you still have to pay that person, by the way.
well.
Right? Look at that.
Nah, tapi ya udah akhirnya dari situ gue juga tahu kalau gue tuh bukan orang yang bisa melihat semuanya secara objectively kalau gue nggak melihat diri gue dari mata ketiga gitu, orang ketiga ya. Dan akhirnya di 2022 akhir, ketika menjalani proses perceraian, gue tahu betul kalau gue sangat membutuhkan. Karena apa? Karena kayak
Bapak, Ibu, saudaraku seiman, dalam hidup
gitu
ini kadang kita diuji, kadang kita harus kehilangan. Tapi percayalah, siapa yang bersabar di jalan Allah, maka Allah akan membalas dengan nikmat yang tak terkira. Pagi ini, mari kita benamkan semua rasa lelah, gundah, dan resah dalam lautan takbir. Mari kita sucikan hati, luruskan niat, dan tundukkan diri hanya kepadanya.
Dan mengingatkan gue untuk kembali ke diri gue. Jadi gue ketemu sama terapis gue di 2022 akhir. Dan gue menjalani sampai sekarang. Dan I love my therapist. She's like very
Bless her.
Yeah, I love her. Dan bener-bener gue sejak ke dia ngerasa banyak banget metode-metode dia yang membuat gue sangat aware dengan